Hare Krishna everyone, welcome to our Satvik Aahar series. As promised last week, we have Dr. Shruti Gupta with us today who will tell us about a Satvik smoothie recipe. Great to taste and full of nutrition. So, let's hear from her. Haribol!
Hare Krishna everyone, my name is Shruti Gupta. I am a registered nutritional therapist based in Bangalore, also passionate about healthy cooking. So I wanted to share an energy dense smoothie recipe for female hormone balance, but can also be given to kids too, as it is high in protein, good fats and folate rich. So let's crack on making the recipe. So for this recipe I am using some steamed sweet potato, and for the measurement I'll be writing in the caption the full recipe. Little bit of cucumber, little bit of steamed beetroot, and also adding in some ragi powder, ragi flour, some sattu flour, and also a handful of almonds and walnuts. So I'm just putting it in the smoothie, and also using fresh dahi. I'll be writing the measurement, so don't worry. And some whey water which I have taken from the fresh paneer. So just to make it smooth and diluted. So I'm using fresh whey water. So I just blended it in a high blender, high powerful blender, in the smoothie blender. When it is smooth, it is done. So I'm just pouring it in the glass. As you can see, it's given the nice color, pink color from the beetroot. So my smoothie is ready. Do try it and let me know if you like it.